Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, year is ending 2022. I'm sure you must have achieved all your goals that you decided in the beginning. याद है 2022 तो शुरू हो रहा था, कुछ रेजोल्यूशन किए थे, याद है? किए? नहीं किए? Alright, so how many people do you know that they are actually who have achieved and their resolution? I'm sure you're one of them, and I wish you should be one of them. And how many of you know anybody जो अपने ड्रीम्स जी रहे हो या जिन्होंने अपने सपनों को साकार कर लिया? How many people do you know? And what do you think is the reason or the gap? क्या कमी रह जाती है कि गोल आपके जो सपने हैं वो अचीव नहीं हो पाते, या जो गोल हैं वो रियलिस्टिक प्लान में नहीं बन पाते? So the only thing that according to me lacks is setting a realistic goal, and along with that planning, making an action plan to work them out. And what you lack is the how to connect these two dots. तो इनको कनेक्ट कैसे करें? तो इस सिचुएशन में आई थिंक विजन बोर्ड एक होता है जो यहाँ पर हेल्प कर सकता है. तो टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट विजन बोर्ड. What is vision board? What is vision board? I'm sorry, and how it helps to achieve your goal in a step-by-step way. Let's get started. So, vision board होता क्या है? What is vision board? Vision board is nothing but a collage of pictures, quotations, affirmations, and anything that you relate with and is connecting to your goal. For example, you have a goal that in 2023 you want to have your own a luxury car or maybe an SUV. So you have a picture of the same and paste it on the board. That is vision board. So the collection of the pictorial collection of all your goals pasted in front of you and placed it at a place that keeps on giving you a reminder. For example, I'll also share some pictures of vision board, and it helps you. How does it help? Why do you need to have one? Let me give you one. First of all, it is also known as, when you have the things in front of you and the action plans right in front of you, it becomes very easy for you to achieve them. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐसा कहा जाता है कि विजन बोर्ड होने से ना इट एक्ट एज अ लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ दैट? यस, इट एक्ट्स दैट. आपने सुना होगा कि बार बार अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में सोचना है. इफ द मोर यू थिंक अबाउट योर प्रॉब्लम, द मोर यू अट्रैक्ट योर प्रॉब्लम्स. Okay, the more you think of the solution, on the contrast, the person who keeps on thinking about visualizing about achieving your goals and thinking of reaching new heights, achieve more heights. And there is actually a study which has proved there are many surveys which are done and which has proved that the universe will provide you if you keep on visualizing and asking for what you actually want something that you actually relate. There are so many things. For example, if I think of a house, my own house, what kind of house that I would visualize staying in? Yeah, something that you actually relate to, or something that is you think that if I think of something that belongs to me, maybe not too big, maybe not too small, just what I want. कैसा होगा वो? Visualize it and find out a picture and paste it right in front of you. You never know if some magic works, and I'm sure universe will also support your dreams. Second reason why you should have and how vision board benefits you is provide you some clarity in your vision. How? For example, जब आप शुरू करते हो विजन बोर्ड बनाना, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बाय अ न्यू कार इन 2023. तो आई विल स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर सम पिक्चर्स. एंड बाय द वे, विजन बोर्ड मैंने कह रही हूँ physical vision board, not the digital one. Absolutely no. I know it's a digital world around, but I'm talking about something physical vision board. It can be on chart paper. It can be on any thermocol, big thermocol. You start finding out the pictures. Maybe, for example, if I start looking for a car, so I will visualize which car do you think I would get into, maybe an SUV. And okay, let me find out some good pictures. So वो जो वक्त होता है जब आप रिसर्च कर रहे होते हैं, दैट ब्रिंग्स सो मच एक्साइटमेंट एंड you focus so much, you research so much, नहीं ये नहीं ये नहीं ये, and you find out something absolutely unique only for you, that you think that yes, I would love to drive this car, and you take out the printout. The excitement you go through while doing the process of making gives you more clarity. Yes, this is one that I'm looking for. So it gives you a kind of a clarity in your vision, clarity in your goal. What are you looking forward to? Third benefit. आजकल होता क्या है, as soon as you wake up in the morning, first thing you touch is your, yeah, you guessed it right, your phone. And you start looking around your Facebooks and your social media, and you get loaded with so many ideas around. However, I'm not saying that's wrong, but that's too much of it, okay? How, just visualize it, that how would it be if once you wake up, the first thing that you look at is the visual picture, or the picture of your goal right in front of you. That's something that you're working for, something you're planning to achieve in 2023, right in front. As soon as you wake up, the first thing, it motivates you to begin your day with a positive note. Yes, you're the one, I'm gonna get you. Yeah, beautiful car, beautiful house, whatever. Yes, you should have one. As soon as you get up, right in front of picture, it then motivates you to, have a beautiful day and be more productive, be more focused. This is the third benefit, that vision board motivates you to be more focused on your vision, on your goals. It also helps you to be more accountable for your goals. For example, आपने कोई फोटोग्राफ काट के लगाई और सामने लगा वो गंदी हो रही है, या ये फोटोग्राफ लगाई किसने है, या जिम्मेदारी आपकी है उसको अचीव करने की. Nobody has dumped those vision, those goals on you. You have decided, you have chosen that car, you have chosen that house, or maybe you have chosen that trip. Maybe somebody is looking forward to visit London Bridge, or maybe somebody is looking forward to visit Paris in 2023. Cut at that picture of Eiffel Tower, place it on a vision board right in front. As soon as you wake up in the morning, the first thing that you watch is the Eiffel Tower, maybe London Bridge, or your favorite car, or the house, your dream house. It motivates you. एक जिम्मेदारी बन जाती है कि yes, ये मैंने काट के लगाया है, इसके लिए काम करना है. So it gives you accountability. It gives you a kind of responsibility that yes, today is the day that I will take one more step in order to achieve this. So next benefit is, when you have vision board in front of you, start manifesting it. Oh God, बस एक बार मिल जाए, बस एक बार किसी तरह मिल जाए. Yes, I'm looking forward. I'm really working hard for it. Maybe it can be a trip, car, house, whatever. Yes, मैं इसके लिए काम कर रहा हूँ, एक बार मिल जाए. You start manifesting it, visualizing it. It works. Trust me. You're surrounded with positivity throughout the day. And the day is just not one. You're creating the environment around you. It's very important. Next point is, this is very important, is when you are in process of making vision board, you will be very excited. For example, you're looking forward for buying a new car. So you'll be looking for the models, you'll be looking for different colors, maybe variant. So, and then you take the printout, cut the picture, find out the board, or maybe a beautiful color chart paper onto it, and cut it and paste it. The entire journey is really, really a fun process. Don't believe. And next point. when you have these things around you, you consider vision board as, you know, something that will keep on pushing you, reminding you, or it acts like a reminder for you to, you know, because there are too many chaos that we are surrounded. If you can call it chaos, responsibilities, your hectic schedules, there is no one to remind of, and somehow वो जो ख्वाहिशें हैं या desires or goals get you know dumped somewhere, या वो कहीं खो जाती है, and again the year end comes, and again the same resolution that we take out from last year December, and then we say नहीं इस साल जरूर करूँगा. So promise me that by the end of the video, and you will have some ideas how creative you will be in order to make your vision board. If possible, share a couple of your ideas, maybe in a form of picture, and how you are going to make the beautiful vision board. Basically विजन बोर्ड को कहा जाए तो मैं इसको और खूबसूरत शब्दों में कहूँ तो इट्स लाइक कि आप अपने सपनों की पिक्चर्स निकालिए और उनको सामने रखिए. यू हैव योर ड्रीम्स printed out and right in front of you, so that you every day give it a fresh start, beautiful one. और सपने खूबसूरत नहीं होंगे तो उन पे काम थोड़ी ना करोगे आप. Make a beautiful one. If possible, share it with me. I'm sure this video has charged you up enough that you're going to have your vision board, and I promise you, if you take a one step, take it as taking a one step towards your resolution. By making a vision board, yet you have done something to one step in order to achieve your goals. And trust me, vision board is going to be one of them, a tool that will help you make your goals a realistic plan. I'm sure. If possible, do share a picture with me, and if you like this video, share it with your friend, subscribe my channel, like the video. It motivates me, trust me. Thank you so much. And I'm sharing some pictures of beautiful vision board. Do share yours once you're ready, and I'm sure you will do that, promise. Take care. See you. Bye.